Someone else said, I see ghosts more often than I see you. Oh, Alexia can't swim in water, only in the silence.
I don't even get that. I don't get it.
Next up, John. This is really long. Wait, hold on, ready? Ready? John is a really great guy. Just one thing I know about him is that he is an aerospace major and really into planes. But after seeing what he can do on the court, I really hope his airplane skills don't match his basketball skills. He have a lot of planes falling flat. To lighten up the mood, someone said John is really cool. That was nice. Another friendly one. John is so friendly he could light up a dark room with his smile alone.
Who turned up the heat?
Someone else said, probably wearing a hat. I mean, that's not wrong. That's not wrong. Another one said, John is so cool. He would make the desert turn into Antarctica. Why are these so nice? Desert. The desert. Turn into Antarctica.
Stop.
Josh. Someone said you look like a CS major. Someone also said you definitely are a CS major. Another person said you look like a CS major.
Looks like a CS.
Just making sure. Alright, someone said, you could catch a swarm of bees in Josh's hair. Someone else says, when Josh plays Minecraft, he dies in peaceful mode. Okay, someone said, Josh is so loud that my seagull can concrete.
That one was crazy. That was too far. That was too far.
Josh is so loud that my seagull can concrete.
That was you?
Whoever put that in.
No longer. I'll investigate.
Alright, my turn. Mariana could probably tag. Oh, you could probably tag her before she updates Assassins. Oh yeah. Mariana, do your laundry. Yeah, I can do it. That's it. Elena. Elena. That was your only rose. Sonia. Sonia, someone said yeah.
My role says Sonia would have been at 0.5 cake except for
Sonia, someone said you're their second favorite PS. Not first though. Not first. What if they're yours too? Someone said cacao. That one's accurate. Someone said get taller. Ooh, no, there's no one. Okay. Sonia says guys so much that she should get a pet bird to caw at her 24/7. So do I. Alright, Hunduop is not a wolf town warrior. I don't get what that means. Next one is a video.
Are you putting videos?
It's morning, everyone! Today's the day! The sun is shining, the tank is clean, and we are getting out! The tank is clean. The tank is clean!